Hello guys, have you ever wondered how Google shows the exact results in few seconds? This is the process it goes through. First crawling, indexing, then ranking. What is crawling? Whenever a user searches for a query on Google, the search engine sets bots called spiders or crawlers. They move from one page to another page through following links and collect the data like images, videos, text and send it for indexing. Then what is indexing? Whatever the data is called and sent for indexing, it is stored in a huge database called as index. In this, search engine stores organize the data. Next, ranking. Ranking is the process where Google shows the best results as per the ranking factors like website 1, website 2, website 3 as per their keyword relevancy, content, good backlinks, site speed, mobile responsiveness. Then finally, these results are shown on SERP. SERP means search engine results page. General layout of SERP is top 4 ads, then 10 organic results, then bottom 4 ads. Mostly 15 to 17 results are shown in one page. Thank you. For more such videos, do like, comment and share.